It's trying to headbutt me, bro.
Hi, Stuart. Yes!
Move.
Sometimes I go to sleep and I cry, asking God why.
Oh God!
Oh no.
Oh my God. Hi. No. Oh.
What are you doing? Come on. Come on. Come on. I got you. I ain't gonna let nothing happen with you. Hey, that's your brother now. Better be careful.
I'm Jason Kinsey, and this is Life. My friend.
Moo.
Ich hab sie gestochen.
Oh. Oh, Lisa.
You feel me? Y'all be wondering, like, yeah, I be leaving them together by themselves and let them go do what they do. You see what I'm saying? Jerry, he's somewhere over there. I don't know where he at, but he's very trained, so he's not gonna go anywhere. See, told y'all. He always come back to his daddy. He always come back to his.
Bir dur ben de yiyeyim de ben dur.
Kom så.
Det bliver fantastisk. Ja, ja.
They got it. They got it. They got it.
I think instead of a puppy, I want a pet goat. Likes me like a second ago. Oh my.
Y'all massage my back. Okay, well, let me put my head on because y'all step on my head. It doesn't feel too good on my head. Okay.
Letting my kids play outside.
Hey, don't touch that pole. Yeah, it's gonna get zapped.
You know, I don't know if she finds that very sexy. Not sure she... Ooh, well, okay.
You gonna help me again, bully? Yeah. Hey, you gonna help me again, are you?
Holy oh my god. Oh, my god. Oh my god. Callie, get it out. Ew, it's slobbering. Good girl, Penelope. Good girl, Penelope. Boop. Good girl, Penelope.
Got something for my boy Mike, man. Look what I got. What it's hitting for. Dang. One bite, shawty? It's good. Is it good, though? Okay.
Good boy. Oh. Oh, she got you. That was rude, huh? Oh, poor Buzz. Bye, cow. Say moo. Are you okay, Bubba? Boo.
Guess what day get it.